Yeah. Whatever happened to that kid?
Yeah, like, what? Did he die?
I don't know. He doesn't even been in any other videos after. What? Hold on, wait, my phone just went off.
What is it?
Notification? What? What are these fidget spinner things? I just literally...
Fidget spinner? Why did you get a message for something about fidget spinners?
It literally just a notification popped up. Do you know what they are?
What even are fidget? Oh my god, no. They're stupid things with the little kids. They like... It's just a thing with 4 bearings, like skateboard bearings, you know, like in the wheels, and they just twist the thing and then it's like spins.
I've never even heard of it.
Shit, dude, they're everywhere. I'm not even kidding. They're everywhere.
Well, why did I get a notification about it?
I don't know, because it's like this stupid viral thing.
Whatever, let's just go do something else. Alright. Let's see what's on TV.
Yeah.
A lot of teachers hope will soon go away. They're called fidget spinners, and kids are infatuated with them.
It doesn't really require much instruction. They're called fidget spinners, and they're a massive hit with the under 12 crowd.
Critics say they're counterproductive. They cause classroom distractions and are basically just toys.
Oh my god, are you kidding me? I'm turning this off. Who's at the door? What? Oh my god. Oh my god, who's at the door?
Who's that?
Who the hell are you? Fidget spinners! Yeah! Woo!
Oh my god, no. No.
No.
Fidget spinners, fidget spinners, fidget spinners, fidget spinners, fidget spinners, fidget spinners. Subscribe to Bawlsaq. Don't forget to like. Fidget spinners, 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 fidget spinners.
Ryan, holy shit, Ryan.
What?
I just had the... Dude, I just had the weirdest dream.
Dude, so did I.
You go first, what was it?
It was amazing, dude. We need to get a fidget spinner.
You had a dream about fidget spinners?
Yeah.
Same.
Yo, let's go.
I know in the Bible one too, let's go.
Get some fidget spinners.